Let's go.
Don't catch a big one today.
Hope so. Hope so. I'm here for revenge.
That. Let me put my feet back in the right position.
Yeah, almost the same size as my friend, huh?
Yeah,
but his is big, huh?
No, it's the same company. They put like Toyota and Lexus. Kind
Oh,
of
okay.
to my plug now.
Alright guys, so we're here at the pillar point already. Let's go in the spot. Might try some, get some light bait first and put it in the light bucket. And trying to keep it alive and use it for trolling for salmon. Alright, so I'm here with one guy today. He missed going fishing yesterday, so give him a chance to get his kayak wet today. It's his first time going, so hopefully somehow he'll bring some fish today. All right, so all right, let's go. That's the Pelican Island.
Kind of messed up, can't hear anything.
Alright, so we're here right now. While waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and go get me some light bait. Yep, nice size right here. Look at that baby salmon. Look at how baby salmon this is. This is what they release here from the hatchery. Oh shit! Sorry. Sorry. Come on. I want you to die. Right. You didn't bring sabiki, huh? I did. You did? Okay, good.
This thing, if you don't try to catch up with anybody, just cruising, it's okay.
Cruising?
Yeah, cruising. You know,
Oh yeah, yeah.
like 1 mile per hour.
Yeah. It's good exercise, huh?
Yeah. But I don't want to push myself too hard. Hey man, first time here, get the experience.
Huh?
I said get experience.
It's your first time in the ocean, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
when I saw your YouTube, the first time take this out, I said, man, I want to follow him. But try this in the lake, I said, no way I can go in the ocean.
Yeah. There you go.
Just a big
Yep. This big one. Kingfish maybe.
You put some bait on it or not? Okay.
Here. Want it? I'm actually right now trying to look for anchovies. So if I catch kingfish, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it. But give it away instead of putting it back. That's actually good for lingcod. So if I get a good size of kingfish, then I'm gonna put it on the live well. I mean the live bucket, and maybe use it for bait later. Chance to land some lingcod if they have it. There you go. Alright. It's another kingfish right here. Alright, here we go. What is it? It's likely it's a kingfish. There's a lot of bait over there in the front, like all the way to the front, but right now I don't see nothing, no jumping. I don't see them jumping around, but they're just moving around. The bait ball, just look for a bait ball. There you go. But right, there's a lot of kingfish over here right now though. You just need to be careful about using this sabiki. This can get you.
You hit bottom, how much?
When you hit the bottom, let it go.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta drag it.
And then when it hit, you feel it?
Oh, yeah, you'll see it. There you go. See, look. It's pretty good size kingfish, man. Alright guys, change the plan. Since it's too rough over here, his kayak can't move. and it's hard for him. So I'm just gonna go and stick with him. Probably let him catch like a kingfish and something, any fish for him to take home. And I can always just go anytime. But this is his first time coming here with his kayak, and it's kind of like pretty rough for him. So I can't let him just go. I need to stick with him. So hey, that's how it is. Um, I sent him over here, and for him it's kind of like choppy. So we're just gonna go here in the front and fish for a little bit to make our trip worth it. Then we're just gonna go ahead and bounce and end up our day. All right, so hopefully we go ahead and just fish for kingfish over here and get our limit, and we're just gonna go ahead and leave this place. All right, so yep, there's always next time, man.
Radio check. Radio.
Let's go. Yep, so right now we're just gonna go ahead and fish here in the front. Hopefully get some kingfish for him to take home.
That's a green buoy.
I got few kingfish already, but right here right now it's pretty foggy over here. Can't even see the red buoy and the green buoy. And that's one of the things. It's his first time coming over here in the ocean. So any fish for him to take home will be good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with him over here. Let him feel the ocean and go home with fish. All right.
First fish, dang. Ocean.
Oh, you have oh, that's a baby salmon. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'll take you a picture right now. All right. Go back to halibut rig and put a whole squid, and we'll see if we can land something with this. Maybe possible hookup with the link out over here. Alright. Just like that. Alright. And then I'm gonna go and drift. Alright. Go drag, then go ahead and drag. Go. Let's move. Let's move. Alright, so we'll go. Alright guys, that's it. Only caught a kingfish, but since this first time here, then I'm just gonna give my kingfish to him. He wants to get kingfish to take home, something to take home. So yep, put my stuff away. Alright, Jason, how do you feel about today with your kayak, man?
Getting great away.
Huh?
getting rid of it or put moto.
Well, it's his first time here in the ocean, and
And no good. Testing this boat out, no good.
don't
So
never
buy
bring
it,
those.
man. Anybody, don't buy it. Even though I'm trying to sell it, but don't buy it. Be honest, I'm an honest seller. Unless you want to use it in the lake for bass fishing.
Yeah, you just need to use that kind of kayak in the lake instead of bringing here in the ocean. They ain't no good, man. Get a hobby.
Yeah.
Hobby is the best in the ocean.
Like you said, getting hobby. I'm promote hobby sale.
Yep.
You see, I'm trying my butt out and barely keep up with you just